Alright, hey guys, welcome in. I got a new project for you guys today. Before we get into our project, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. Also, make sure to like, comment, and share so we can keep building our art community big and awesome. So what I got for you guys today is one of my favorite things to do. It is a Pointillism project. Pointillism is something that has to do with dot art. I'll show you some different examples throughout this video, but super easy way to make any picture that you like drawing into a Pointillism picture. So do a couple examples, and I'm going to show you a couple different examples. I'm going to start with something that I can draw really easily and then turn that into a Pointillism project. Most people know that my favorite thing or my easiest thing that I can probably do is shoes or basketball. So maybe I'll do a basketball and a shoe today. So I'm going to start with a basketball. So I'm going to draw a basketball. So I got my basketball and my shoe, and now I'm going to turn that into a Pointillism. From there, what you want to do is just grab whatever type of tools that you want. It really doesn't matter. You can use colored pencils, you can use Sharpies, highlighters, markers. I got these really cool crayons. I really like them. They're twistable. So basically, whatever tool that you are going to do, I'll grab a Sharpie here. You just take and do a dot around that you did first. You do dots on that same design. So if I was doing the basketball, I'll do kind of some of the lines in the middle. You just do that same thing in dots. So you kind of can repeat that design. You can go kind of on the top or the bottom of it. You can do with one color, you can do with multiple colors. So I'm going to do the green kind of on some of these lines. And then I'll do the up and down one. And then I'll kind of do the fast forward version of it. So you're just kind of using the tip of the marker or the tool. You want to kind of space them out that you can kind of see them when you're up close, but really from a distance, it'll start to look like they're just almost coloring with dots. So now I'm going to go super fast and do the basketball, and then maybe I'll stop and switch it up for the shoe. Alright, so I'm going to switch it up a little bit for the shoe. I'm going to do a kind of a more girl one. I always do a lot of boy examples and boy pictures. So I'm going to do a rainbow. A lot of my girls will literally do rainbow everything. So I'm going to get some rainbow colors on this one, and I'll show you how that one looks really fast. Alright, so there we go. We got it all finished. I put it on black paper and actually cut them out individually that you could almost make like kind of little stickers with them on there. But I thought it turned out really cool. I really like the rainbow shoe actually, since they don't have too many girls' basketball shoes. Maybe that could be like a futuristic girls' basketball shoe. But the Dot Art Pointillism project, that is it for that. You can do Pointillism on any single drawing that you would like to do, just covering it with dots in a pretty kind of detailed, precise way. So thank you guys for viewing. As always, I am Mr. Schuette. This is Mr. Schuette's art class, and we'll talk to you guys later.